Say cheese. You supposed to say cheese, not you ain't saying nothing. All right.
Surreal.
What you gotta say?
Apple.
Apple or Abu?
Apple.
Apple. What about it?
Me about apple.
Who ate my sausage? What the heck, bruh? Off your feet. Look at your pants, bruh. You got it in the back of your head too. What in the world? What did you do?
We downstairs.
Who told you to go downstairs?
We was sitting in.
I know. I said stay on the porch. You need to do what I told you to
How
do.
did you see me?
I came outside. Stay on this porch so I could watch y'all. Got it?
No.
Got it? Got it?
No.
Got it?
No.
What?
I didn't see me.
You teasing her?
No.
Okay, sit up. Chill out. What the heck is y'all doing, man? Why y'all way down there? What the heck, bro? They in the dirt all the way down the street. What the heck, man? Look at this grandma. No shoes on. Are you serious? One more swing. Ada, Nasli, Lina.